Mark, please tell me about your family. Please, Nikita, you are the reporter. Please ask Mark. Tell me about
your family.
My family is not very big. It is small. There are 4 of us. I have a mother, I have a father, I have a sister, and I have
it, and I have myself.
and myself.
Very nice. Nikita, continue.
Tell about
Ask Nikita. Please tell about your family.
Your family.
Nikita, your back is straight.
uh,
Nikita, off you go.
I have 4
There are 4 of us in our family.
therefore in our family. The mom.
I have a mother.
I have a mother. I have a father. I have a little brother, Danila, and Nikita.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I do. I like my family very much.
Nikita, please ask Yaroslava to tell about family. Nikita, ask.
Tell about the family. In my family,
There are 4 of us.
there are 4 of us. I have a mother. I have a dog. I have a grandma, and
And it's me.
and it's me. I
Love?
love my family very much, and I love my dog. Its name Graf.
Fun. Do you like to play with it, with your dog?
Yes, I like play with my dog.
Do you walk your dog every day?
No,
No, I don't. Who walks your dog every day?
grandma, mom.
Okay, everyone in your family participate in it. Great. Thank you, children.